YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be unboxing some stuff that I bought off eBay. I think they cost me around £25 altogether, and postage was fairly cheap, so that includes the postage as well. So let's get into this box, shall we? Let's get in this nice box, and the should be plunked in like so, and we have two mouse. Let's look at these two mouse first. Let's just plonk this down in a moment. We'll look at those later on. I did buy these two mouse for the laptops that I have. Like the laptop that I have on my previous video, the HP one. I'm going to be using one of these mouses on there because the button is broken, and let's look at that. We have a HP mouse just here. Does it say what model? Oh, the MN, maybe that stands for model number. Is a M-S69. It does use the green pin, which is what I need for the laptops, and feels quite clicky. That'll be good, so let's just put that over there. And the next one is also a HP one, but this is a ball mouse. Forgot to mention that this one is actually a laser mouse, so we'll see how that goes. But this one is a ball mouse, and I haven't felt a mouse like that in a very long time, since I was at school. Again, this is a PS2 connector, and it is HP. The model number is M-S69. I'm not sure if you will be able to see that, but listen to that sound on that wheel. Nice clicky feeling to it. Does have a bit of drag, that's probably off the ball, and these well, they're not rubber feet, they are plastic. So we will test those out in my next video, and let's unwrap these two. And in here, in this anti-static bag, we look like we have some graphics cards. This one is a Asus. Looks like it's PCI-E. It doesn't say what model number. AD-RV610LE. Okay, I think this is the GT610. I'm not sure what gigabyte. I think it is 1 gigabyte. I'm not exactly sure, but there we go. This nice graphics card, got this cheap cooler on. We will be benchmarking this in some of the systems that I have. It does have VGA, DVI and S-Video. Next one is a AMD card, and this is a small form factor card. I do have some small form factor PCs, so we can test this. It does use some sort of DVI. I'm not sure what DVI port that is. Maybe you can let me know in the comments so I can order the correct adapter, as this doesn't have any sort of VGA port on. The fan seems okay. It just says AMD ATI 102 C0903. The memory is Hynix, so I'm guessing those are the memory chips there. It's getting more. This one looks like a nice one. Let's have a look at this one here. This one is another ATI Radeon. Again, it is PCI-E. I guess it's a very old PCI-E. There is again no model number on here, not as far as I can tell. No, this one looks like a fairly nice graphics card. It also does have that DVI port on again. I'm gonna have to find out what that is. It also supports S-Video. This one looks like it's never been used, unless it's been cleaned. And just look at the cleanliness of that fan. I'm not sure if you can see that. I hope you can, but just look how clean that is. We have one more to get out, and this one, I really like this one, as I didn't know these made graphics cards, and this is fairly huge. This one is a Winfast graphics card. It does have some bulging capacitors, so I will have to get round to replacing those. Maybe I can use this card to improve on my soldering skills, as I'm quite new to that. I have never soldered in my life before, so I will be replacing these caps in a video. I'm not sure when, but so far this is a Winfast, and that fan looks very stiff. Not even sure that's gonna turn. It looks fairly used. If you can see inside there was a lot of dirt. Okay, we have a Winfast 128MB PX6600TD. It's PCI Express, but with only 128MB of memory. Again, we have the Hynix memory. These capacitors here are quite bulgy, so I will have to replace those before they start leaking everywhere. It does say, there seems to be two models of these, as it says 128MB and 256MB. Square is got a marking for 128MB, so maybe there is room to upgrade the chips, which is something I could try because they're only soldered on. Something I could try in the future. Let me know in the comments if I can do this, or if you know if it is possible to actually upgrade the memory to 256MB. So we have this nice big Winfast video, we have the ATI graphics card, and we have the AMD graphics card, which I'm not sure which one that one is, and then we have a NVIDIA card. So I can test these two, which is the NVIDIA and the Winfast graphics card. I can test those, and then the mouse we can test in the laptops. So that is going to be for today's video. I hope you liked this video. This is my first unboxing. I'm sorry for some of the mispronunciations or me stuttering. I'm trying to work on that. But yes, if you'd like to support me with donations like graphics cards, motherboards, anything that you think is old, I will leave my email in the YouTube videos. I also do have a buy me a coffee. I will also leave the link to that in my videos too. So once again, hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.